Marble Restoration New Malden by Fabritech Tile Cleaning Surrey. Do you have marble floors, walls, or countertops in your home or office? Do you love the elegance and beauty of natural stone, but hate how it looks dull, stained, or scratched over time? Are you tired of spending hours trying to clean and polish your marble, only to end up with disappointing results? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need our marble restoration services. We are the experts in restoring the shine and beauty of your marble surfaces. We use the latest techniques and equipment to polish, clean, and repair your marble, making it look like new again. We can handle any type of marble, from Carrara to Nero Marchina, and any type of damage, from cracks to chips. We also offer regular maintenance and sealing services to protect your marble from future wear and tear. You can enjoy the benefits of having beautiful and durable marble surfaces in your home or office. You can impress your guests, clients, or customers with the elegance and quality of your marble. You can save time and money by avoiding costly and ineffective DIY solutions. You can increase the value and appeal of your property by enhancing its appearance and functionality. You can have peace of mind knowing that your marble is in good hands with our professional and experienced team. Call 01784 775813 or visit our website at Tile Cleaning Surrey to bring your marble back to life.